know how we clean earthen pond? Can you tell me? You're welcome back to my channel. How is it going over there? This morning I want to briefly show you how we are trying to wash off the earthen pond. We discovered that the earthen pond is too dirty and is even given odor. It's dirty and it's smelling. So the way out of that is just to drain out the water. Welcome to this channel. If today is your first time of watching this channel is all about how you can grow catfish successfully and also profitable. So in this channel I have always been talking basically about how you can raise your catfish from hatchery up to grow outside and the likes. Actually, this is my first production. This is my first grow house production, so I've not actually sold any, but don't worry, I'm going to document everything so that you see how everything is done. Everything is done. For the 2 ponds, these are the ones I asked myself. The first set of hatchery I was able to get like approximately like 2,000, though most of them died as a result of G-rot. I think I documented that as well in one of the videos. So here I have like, let's say 1,800, and here I have less than 200. These ones, they are the bigger size. We call them shooters, while the other ones that are not as big as the other one are kept here. And in here we have the bigger boys. They are 5 months old. If you can see them clearly, I don't know. Can you see them? They are 5 months old, and we discovered the water is too dirty. And just like I always tell you, if the water is dirty and you are feeding them, the food will not do what is needed of them, and even at times they will not eat the food to satisfaction. So it's always better if you can change the water frequently. But I will not deceive you, draining water from earthen pond is always an Herculean task. It's very difficult to do, but in case you want to do it, you will need a pump like that, and you will need a sucker. So from the sucker now you have something like this, just to block off the mouth so that it will not be sucking out the fishes. So instead of sucking out the fishes, it will just be sucking out the water. Actually this thing is not very easy, and it's not advisable you do this during rainy season, because the earthen pond can collapse. It's always advisable you do it during dry season or when the soil is compact. Okay, just take a look at the crack here. This crack here is as a result of the soil losing its water. Had it been we are in rainy season, this thing will just cave in, and once it caves in like that, it's going to trap our fishes, and once they are not attended to swiftly, the fishes will die, and that's at loss. So we don't want that to happen. That is why we have to tarry up to this moment. In this pond alone we have like 8,000, while in this other pond we have like 8,500 fishes. So I think I've already made a video on the feeding formulation. So if you want to raise one fish up to 1 kg, you will need approximately like 750 to 900 naira. That is naira value now, and that is equivalent to like $1.20 thereabouts if you stay outside the shores of Nigeria. So to raise them up to 1 kg and above. You will need that amount. So you just do the calculation, and coupled with the fact that you have to pump in water, because not just any water is going to do this. So basically, part of the reason why the other ponds, you know, we have different types of pond. We have the concrete pond, we have the earthen pond, we even have the semi-earthen pond. So this is actually earthen pond because it's on the floor, and we are making use of the bags for the borderline, just to make sure this pond retains water and is not collapsing. That is the essence of the bags you are seeing. So this earthen pond, the only advantage it has is, let's assume you have traveled, you do not have money to continue the feeding. The fishes will not die. Instead, they will be feeding on themselves or feeding on the planktonic substances that is going to be growing, or even the earthworms that are going to be feasting on them. But in your concrete ponds, it's very possible they do not have that luxury, because in concrete pond, the concrete pond will never be as dirty as this, because you'll be able to change it more frequently than this. So that is the advantage of having a concrete pond over this. So in the next production cycle, I think I would prefer to make use of a concrete pond instead of this, just for cleanability, because that one is very easy to clean, unlike this one that you have to just drain out the water manually. Unlike that other one, you just open the tap and all the dirt and the dirty water they flush off. So guys, that is basically what I want to show and share with you. So if you derive value in watching my video, I want you to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on any of my other videos that you have ever watched and derive value. That being said, I love you. Stay safe. Corona is still real. Stay safe.